Yeah. Did you order something for?
What are you eating, Joe?
Lamb.
What do you want, Tiffany?
Or what's the name of this restaurant?
I have no idea. Greek
Tiffany.
Island
What do you want?
on Holstead Avenue, downtown Chicago.
Do you eat lamb?
Baby's eating lamb.
You don't want to eat lamb?
No.
So you just want to taste the
You
potatoes
gotta
and the
taste
rice?
it. You gotta taste it.
I'll get another bowl of rice
Why
with the
don't
sauce
you
and
go see?
potatoes.
Let her get up and go see what they got.
I'll
Because
see.
it's all Mama Fabi on the weekend.
I've seen spaghetti, but I'm
Let
not.
us
I just say
have
pizza.
another bowl of rice with gravy and some potatoes in it.
Where are you, Tiffy? In Chicago?
Chicago eat lamb, even though I don't
You
eat it.
seen a lot of Oma?
And then the red gravy. The kids will eat that with
Fish on.
Extra gravy.
It's recording.
Say something, Samantha. Say where
something.
we're at.
No,
Say where we're at.
Where's the baby?
Vince.
Vince?
Hi, I'm in Chicago. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
YouTube.